Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to share with you how to get your paid traffic for free. And I want to show you how you can get started today with your paid traffic for $5. I also want to show you how to get into profit every single month. And that's the key thing with affiliate marketing, is not getting into debt, but getting into profit. I'm going to show you how to build your audience. So the more prospects and leads that you can promote to, then potentially the more profit that you can earn. I'm also going to show you some real proof and show you how to promote one link and earn multiple commissions. Also, earn higher ticket commissions without buying the higher ticket product. So I want to show you how to stop paying for paid traffic, how to get it for free, and then reinvest a percentage of your profits and then scale up your income. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or product claims in this video. I'll give you any guarantees. It's for educational purposes only. So I'll go inside my WarriorPlus account, and WarriorPlus is free to join. It's a marketplace. It's been online for over 20 years. And what happens is when you become a member and you buy these traffic products, then the product owners will automatically give you an affiliate link to promote the offers. So this is the last 30 days inside my WarriorPlus account. I'll just refresh the page here and just show you that the updated results are not a fake screenshot. I'll get my little pencil out and just show you a couple of reasons why this really works well. So if we come down here, let's have a look here. So in the commission column on the right hand side, you'll see in the last 30 days, I've earned $592.68 in commission. My product sales in the next column across here, $1,207.39. And in the product column over here, you'll see that I've sold 66 products in the last 30 days. Now, I want to draw your attention to something that's really important here, because a lot of these products, let's just delete that for now and scroll down here a little bit. So if you look on the right hand side over here, you'll see, get my cursor back on, you'll see it says here recurring payment number 3, recurring payment number 28. So you're going to get some new members coming in, and these are membership subscription products. So the reason we promote those is that when you get referrals that are happy like this, you'll see you can get a high retention of referrals paying every single month. So this member's been paying for over 2 years. Now, if you look down the right hand side at all of these circular arrows, this member's been paying for nearly 3 years. So this is how you get into profit and stay in profit, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, because with the monthly membership subscription, the members are happy to pay because they're getting good quality traffic, but they're also probably becoming affiliates and getting into profit as an affiliate as well. So circular arrows, recurring payment number 8, 2 months in a row. Now, if you look at this one here, you'll see this is their second recurring payment, but it's a 6-month subscription renewal. Traffic Blaster, 6 months. So they've paid, and this one here. So some of these offers are really good because they offer a long-term upfront payment, which gets you into profit even faster. And then they've paid for, they're in their second 6 months of payment, recurring payment there, and you see it's a higher price, and your commission's higher at $18 and $28. So you are going to get not just these lower ticket commissions here, but you also can earn some of those higher recurring there. So these are where new ones are coming in, where there's no circular arrow, and all of these are recurring payments coming in every single month. But high retention here is key, and also I recommend you promote offers with a monthly membership subscription. I've done lots of other videos on my channel. If you go to my WarriorPlus, income playlist, or any of my traffic products, you'll see there a lot more proof. Now, I mentioned earlier here about getting into profit and staying in profit. So what I did, I calculated that for the last 30 days, what I did is I spent $53 on membership payments and one-off payments. So when you take that away from the $593 in earnings that I just shared with you, then this equates to $539, and that's all profit. Because I also use free traffic as well to promote these offers. So what I recommend you do is I recommend that you reinvest a percentage of your profits to buy more traffic and then build your audience. Because the larger your audience, then potentially the more commissions you can earn. So if you're going to promote to 100 people, you're only going to get a certain amount of sales. But if you can promote and build your audience to, let's say, as an example, of 10,000 leads or prospects, and you promote good offers, then you're going to earn more money. That's just the way the laws of averages and the way affiliate marketing works. Build your audience and promote to more people. So let me show you now. I mentioned earlier in the video here how to promote one link and multiple commissions and earn higher ticket commissions without buying the high ticket product. So I'm going to use an example of a recent launch of a product, a traffic product called Exit Traffic Network. Now, Exit Traffic Network is, if you go onto my blog or my YouTube channel, it's a genius traffic product by Frank Salinas, who's been promoting traffic for over 20 years. Now, what you'll see here in my Gmail account, this is where I get my notifications for my WarriorPlus affiliate sales. Now, what you'll see here, oops, that's the wrong one there. Let's just go into here. There it is. Let's just, if you look at the date, move that over here. If you look at the date down here, it says February the 12th. So all of these commissions came in one day. Now you're going to see some high ticket commissions here. One here for $60, one here for $30, one here for $94, and then 19, 24, and 22. Now, the most important thing here is there that I promoted one link and I earned multiple commissions. And that product cost me $17. So what WarriorPlus do, which I'll just show you now, what WarriorPlus do, I didn't buy any of these products here. I just bought one time $17. And what WarriorPlus do, when you go into their products, what happens is they give you an affiliate link, like top left hand corner here. They'll give you an affiliate link, but you earn commissions when your referrals upgrade. I've put important. You don't have to upgrade to earn the higher ticket commission. So what I did here, this is a breakdown of what your referrals will go through when they join the exit traffic network. They will get exposed to all these products here in this column. You pay a one-time $17, and then if they upgrade, you will earn these higher ticket commissions. So that's the ones there that I showed you earlier. So that one there was for ETN accelerator, which is this one here. So that's what I showed you earlier. So I haven't bought any of these. The only one I bought was this one here, the first one. So this is one of the superb features and why I recommend you promote WarriorPlus traffic offers, because the product owners put lots of other products within the system. And when your referrals go through these systems, if they decide to upgrade, you will earn the higher ticket commissions and multiple commissions, even without paying this price here. So that's one of the superb features. And it really is a great feature, and will help you get into profit faster and also stay in profit. I want to show you now the free tools and systems that myself and our team personally use, that we've created to help you become successful with these products. So this is an example of the click engine success system. Now you'll see we've turned $5 into nearly 4,000. I started with the click engine, and I've earned nearly $4,000 with the click engine, and it's a $4.90 a month product. So these systems are totally free. There's no cost at all involved, and you clone them for free, you use them for free, and all you do is put your affiliate links into these buttons here, and you let the system do the work and all the heavy lifting for you. You'll just promote one link. Now, further down the page, there are video tutorials on how to set these systems up. If you're new to affiliate marketing, it's perfect for beginners. You don't have to worry about just copy and paste and click, and we teach you step by step how to set these up. And then you earn the commissions. Now, we do these on Leads Leap. If you're not familiar with Leads Leap, then Leads Leap, I'll just click on there now and show you. Leads Leap has been around since 2008. You get a free lifetime membership subscription. You don't ever have to upgrade if you don't want to do. And you get all the traffic, free traffic, and all these tools totally for free. The offer is, the platform is absolutely insane with what you get for free. All you do is click on here and just set up a free account. Now, we use the tools in Leads Leap because the affiliate program is great. You can earn monthly profitable recurring income with the affiliate program. So if I go into my affiliate program here with Leads Leap, under total income, you'll see in my members area here, I've earned $3,708 as an affiliate with Leads Leap. So when you set these systems up and you put your affiliate link, where is it? Here. And you put your affiliate link into here, this is how you can get into profit. So we're teaching you how to earn an additional profitable income stream with the tools and the systems and the traffic that we use as well. So when you go into here and you join as a free member, just compare the two plans. You'll be a free member here. And then down here in the free column, you will earn affiliate commissions. You will earn 25% recurring commissions when your direct referrals upgrade to Pro. So you give away free tools and free traffic. And then if your referrals upgrade, you will earn 25% recurring commission. Now that's going to be profit because you still got a free account and you never paid a penny. And that is recurring every single month as long as they remain upgraded. And if you want to upgrade to Pro, a bit later on, reinvest some of your profits. That's what I did. You get 50% recurring commissions and you also get automated traffic and automated email follow-ups. But you can set up these systems with the free account, and we give you everything you need: lead capture page, email follow-ups. It's all here. All the links will be in the description for all the products, and you just follow the instructions step by step. And if you're looking long term, let's say you're looking long term to get your paid traffic for free and get into profit, I'll just show you here the potential. I'll go into my all time in my WarriorPlus account. So you're still here live in my account, and you'll see since I started this journey with $5, you'll see in the right hand column here, I've now personally earned $18,643.86 product sales, now at 36,531, and I've personally sold 3,878 products using the tools and the traffic and the systems that I'm sharing with you today. So just showing you some long-term potential that this actually works. And then the majority of this, so I'd say that probably about 95% of my commissions are profit, because I use paid traffic for free, and I also use free traffic to promote these offers. So I want to teach you to get into profit, stay in profit, and potentially earn thousands of dollars with these products, and also get lots of higher ticket commissions and lots of recurring payments coming in, like I showed you earlier. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, and that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. Then you'll get notified of all my uploads here on my channel. I'm currently doing several new uploads every week. And if you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer those for you. And I always put my email address in the description, so if you want to send me an email or you'd like any help with anything, then I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.